watching the Disney Channel's magical winter weekend. Next, see what's in store on the Disney Channel preview show, followed by a going home concert with Carole King. Then George Byrne stars in Going in Style, tonight on the Disney Channel.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Nancy, an operator here at the Disney Channel. I hope you and your family are enjoying our magical winter weekend, your sneak peek at all the great family entertainment available on the Disney Channel. For those of you who are watching for the first time, you should know that the Disney Channel offers a whole range of programming for everyone in your family. And you can have all this Disney magic with no commercial interruptions for just pennies a day. Just pick up your phone and tell one of our operators that you want to subscribe to the Disney Channel. Dial 1-800-445-7000. Do it now, and you'll receive a coupon to get a colorful Mickey Mouse Club Special Edition wall clock. It's free when you call the Disney Channel's new subscriber toll-free number. This is a limited time offer. Don't delay. Call us for the best entertainment value around. The Disney Channel, America's Family Network. Disney, this is Nancy. Can I help you?
For the holiday, I believe I've missed each and every face. Come on and play one easy. Let's turn on every love light in the place. It's time I found myself totally surrounded in your circles. Oh, my friends. Number, please celebrate me home and play me one more song. Celebrate me home.
Call to subscribe today. The Disney Channel, America's Family Network.
So if this world starts getting you down, there's room enough for two up on the roof.
She's given the world some of the most memorable songs of all time. Now she's going home. The Disney Channel presents a special concert and interview with one of music's living legends.
City streets, they can be heard, they can be heard.
Going home, to me, is a concept that is more than just a physical concept. Going home to me is something that is in here.
I won't be happy till I see you alone again. Till I'm
Carole King, Going Home. Premiering tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern and Pacific on the Sunday Night Showcase. Monday on Anne of Avonlea.
I thought you could host a picnic for the school.
You'll pay for that.
Oh, good grief.
Well, little people's lost their sheep and doesn't know where to find them.
The Pringles have labeled you the madcap English professor.
You people really are the most narrow-minded, self-centered, quarrelsome group I have ever encountered.
Jen Pringle will not be performing this evening.
We are not postponing anything.
Anne of Avonlea, Monday at 8 Eastern and Pacific. Monday, from the pages of history, America's battle for independence explodes in a 4-part miniseries, George Washington.
Honest men have a right to act on their conscience.
From the farmlands of Virginia to the Boston Tea Party.
If Boston be humbled into submission, then we could be next.
To the birth of our country.
There is talk of making you an American king.
His dream for a free nation would ignite a revolution that would echo throughout the world.
Our amateur general is far more resourceful than we ever imagined.
He was a man of honor.
If only I could be certain that I'm the man to spur us on.
A man of courage.
Stand fast, men, and fight for your freedom.
And a man of passion.
When I return, I'm determined to make you my wife.
Hattie Duke, Jacqueline Smith, James Mason, Hal Holbrook, and Barry Bostwick as George Washington. Premiering Monday, February 19th at 9 on Disney Nighttime. think specials, think the Disney Channel. Our commitment to quality programming includes a sizzling lineup of exclusive specials designed for the whole family. In February, kids will love Roger Rabbit and its introduction to the classics. It's Disney's young people's guide to music. Then, Disneyland's 35th anniversary celebration kicks into full steam when Harry Anderson hosts the Disneyland Story. Plus, later this year, to coincide with the theatrical re-release of Fantasia, we got a special behind-the-scenes glimpse at the creation of this masterpiece. Fantasia, the making of a Disney classic. And if music is your love, take a look at these musical specials. They've been called the greatest Motown act of all time. It's the Temptations. Get ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, Frank Sinatra.
I get no kick from champagne.
Coming in April, a unique series of vintage television specials celebrating 20 years of a musical legend. The Disney Channel proudly brings you the Sinatra Television Library.
Mississippi Delta.
Plus, we've got a rare look at the life, songs, and music of the legendary songwriter-singer.
I'm going to Graceland, Memphis, Tennessee.
It's Paul Simon Solo. And our Going Home series continues to bring you the best with candid interviews and never-before-seen concert footage, including the latest from Carole King.
I feel the earth move under my feet. I feel the sky tumbling down.
And an exclusive look at one of America's most talented musical duos, Ashford and Simpson. And that's not all. He's wild, he's wacky, he's Roger Rabbit, a legend at his own time. And the Disney Channel is taking a fresh look at this entertainment phenomena in his very own unique special. All year round, our specials are designed to inform, entertain, and delight every member of your family. And best of all, you won't see them anywhere else on television. So when you think specials, think the Disney Channel. One was a square peg in a round hole. The other was out of step in a world at war. Together, they're a perfect match.
Senator Brown, in 6 months, I will deliver to you a crack unit of war dogs. I have 6 senators who expect to see a field test tomorrow.
The field test can go on tomorrow as planned. Chips and I can do that job.
Said you wanted action? You got it.
Sergeant, I think Chips has found something. Go! Chips, go!
It's a true story of courage and compassion. William Devane and Brandon Douglas star in the Disney Channel premiere film, Chips the War Dog, Saturday, March 24th at 7 p.m. Eastern and Pacific.
Dear Michael Feldman, just wanted to say how much I enjoy your new show, What Do You Know, on the Disney Channel, Sunday nights at 9. Okay, let's see. Hi, Michael Feldman here, just adding to a little bit of the fan mail we get at the Disney Channel. Actually, of course, my show hasn't started yet, What Do You Know? It won't be on until March, Sunday nights and Wednesday nights. And so I thought I'd get a head start on some of the fan mail because they read it all here, and it's very important that, you know, if you see it and you happen to like it, you should maybe drop a line. It wouldn't kill you. Here are some of the lines that we get from other people. Look at Lunchbox is one of the favorites here in the channel. Peter Rabbit, Curious George, Little Quack Quack, and Paddington Bear. They love the Mickey Mouse Club. They love the New Kids on the Block specials. They love Ozzie and Harriet and the movie specials. And I'll tell you, there's something for the entire family on Disney Channel. More original programming than any other pay service on television. So subscribe to the Disney Channel and keep those cards and letters coming in. And remember, it's spelled F-E-L-D-M-A-N. Michael, what do you know? Sunday nights. Excuse me. I hope that you are on many times a week. Well, every day.
To subscribe to the Disney Channel, call this toll-free number. Coming your way during our magical winter weekend, It's our preview show with a glimpse of upcoming original Disney Channel premiere films, specials, and series. Hosted by Night Court's John LaRoquette. Join us.
Aisle 4 is now open for checkout.
I have a coupon here for everything.
Hi, I'm John LaRoquette. If you're looking for something to cozy up to during these cold winter months, and since I'm not available, check out the Disney Channel. It'll warm up your whole family. Take a look.
Are you ready for 5 of the hottest kids in show business? American Music Award winners Jonathan Knight, Jordan Knight, Joseph McIntyre, Donnie Wahlberg, and Danny Wood. Let's hear it for the new kids on the block.
Let's do it!
Experience the energy.
Are you ready to rock with the new kids on the block? 1, 2, 3, sing!
The music. Experience the excitement of their first television concert performance. New Kids on the Block, Hangin' Tough, live, exclusively on the Disney Channel.
Now, isn't that special? You know, there's more original programming on the Disney Channel than any other premium service. Is that right? Absolutely. I didn't know that. Amazing. Now watch this. Okay.
Who's the leader of the club that's meant for you and me?
Just listen to what kids are saying about the Mickey Mouse Club.
Excellent. I liked it. I thought it was great. It was a lot of fun. Dancing's the best. Comedy's the best part.
Oh, wow, knees pimping.
I liked all of it. I really did.
Yeah! She's beautiful, isn't she? Yes, she is.
They were just awesome.
Awesome. Awesome. I think the show was better than Batman, really.
It's killer. Every weekday afternoon, kids everywhere are tuning into the awesome hit, The Mickey Mouse Club.
Welcome to the Mickey Mouse Club.
Today's Music Day guests are so hyped. It's Tuesday, guest day, and a lucky club member at home got to spend a whole day with Whoopi Goldberg.
Where did you get your look?
It's called comfort. This is my long, luxurious blonde hair. Ain't it pretty?
Yeah. It's Wednesday, anything can happen day, and our creature keeper, Warren Eckstein, is back with some of his slimiest friends.
Party day!
It's Thursday, party day, and today we're having a pen pal party.
We're having a travel party!
Hey, wait a minute, I thought this was a birthday party.
Party day! Party day!
The Mickey Mouse Club Hall of Fame! Each week, the Mickey Mouse Club scans the globe, looking for kids who do really cool stuff.
Today's first Hall of Fame honoree is 8-year-old Travis Stout of Marathon, Florida.
Now, Travis has a muscular imbalance. That means that not all of his muscles are properly developed. But Travis has something very special. He's one of the youngest kids in the country who received